师傅，你好，你知不知道这个地方有没有处置的房子？
You know this is the second half of the first day, right? Because if you don't know, you should click right here to check out the first half, or else you're gonna...
你到前面的岗有那个保安那边有，前面有保安。
前面有啊，保安有。
保安岗有。
保安有那边。
我们是一个单位的。
All right, so we just asked this security guard if he knew if there are any available apartments in this compound, and he just told us to go talk to another security guard inside the compound. So we'll see. Just spoke to this security guard there, and he told me that he knows a landlord in this building who has a 2-bedroom apartment for 3,000. So now I'm following this guy. He's probably like the janitor or the manager of this building, but we're going back in one of the buildings I previously went to. So it'd be really funny if I end up seeing the same apartment, but without dealing with agents, it turns out to be much cheaper. Yeah, 谢谢。哎，你好。So this is small bedroom. Did you see the kitchen?
It's a classic Chinese kitchen made with bricks and tiles, so not the proper kitchen like that.
Yeah. And this is the other bedroom. And the balcony. This is the view here. Alright, so apparently that landlord who just showed us the 3,000 kwai apartment also has another apartment in another building. So right now we're in the other building and we're gonna check it out. Hopefully it's better than the last one. The last one was not bad, but the kitchen was kind of a deal breaker. Well, it's not really a kitchen. ¿Está bien? Oh, it's much older. Huh? Huge apartment. This is the bathroom. And this is the bedroom. Not bad. The balcony. Not much of a view here. Fridge. And this is the small bedroom. It's kind of a strange looking apartment. Like the couch is right here, but let's say I want to make a living room out of it. Where do I put the TV? In the middle of the room? Right next to the entrance door? Well, it's not like TV is essential, but I love to watch movies and, you know, Netflix and chill. That little corner could be good for editing. If I get like a little bigger desk, I could manage some little corner to edit. And I could use this small room to shoot videos, but the rest is kind of strange. So here is also 3,000, but I think even though I don't have much money, I'd rather maybe pay a little bit more and get something a little bit better. I think there would be a lot of work here to make it feel comfortable. Although those last two apartments were like 300 to 600 cheaper than the ones the agent showed me, which is actually much cheaper if you count like the 1,500 or 1,700 more that I have to pay for the agent. So it becomes quite of a difference, but the last two apartments were really not very nice. Anyways, today is just the first day. So I still have faith, I still believe it's possible to find something that's an interesting compromise between what I can afford and what I really want. But let's see. Now we're gonna hang around the neighborhood a little bit, and in about an hour we're gonna meet the agents again to show me the apartment I originally came here to see. Finally. I might have to be flexible about the neighborhood where I want to live. Right now it's the first one I'm considering because it's kind of not too central to be super expensive, but at the same time it's not too far away. And the neighborhood I first started my day in is a neighborhood I know a little bit. I have a few friends there, so I don't want to be too far away from my friends, and don't want to be too far away from the center, since I don't really know where I'm gonna work or where my life is gonna be based around. So I find the area here is very convenient. Seems to have like a lot of little shops and restaurants, including this Longju Plaza, which is like some kind of little mall or something. So might as well go check it out. So Lily is really happy because you know, being Italian, having a pizza place right next to home, and it seems very promising. When you see little corn kernels on your pizza, you know it's gonna be good. I can come here and do my nails, or I can come here and do my nails. Options. That's a nice little sketchy mall. You know I'm gonna come and shop here all the time if I move an area, right? Look at all those fancy shops. This is the place to be. So my friend Lily, with the help of one of his friends, got in touch with another agent who apparently got a nice apartment for 3,300. All right, so it seems like in a complete different part of the neighborhood. It's across from the train station on the other side. It looks very different. It looks more urban, more modern on this side. Hopefully the apartment will be nice. We're going to the 13th floor. Bad luck. 13th. Is this an abandoned building or something? What? Creepy. Oh, the bar one is cleaning. 谢谢。哎，你好。It's a tiny, tidy kitchen. Looks clean. Cool. Washing machine. Shower is nice. It's simple, but all right.
You have a sauna here.
This is the
sauna.
tiny living room.
That is nice. This room is nice.
All right. This is
Hong Kong style.
this is almost as small as my room in Hong Kong. And this is the master bedroom. Well, master bedroom is really nice. Here we go. A lot of storage. And the view now, it's a late night, but it was nice. And look at this fancy lighting. It's small, it's tidy, but it's clean and comfortable. Like the kitchen looks like new. The bedroom is really nice. There's a lot of storage. This tiny bedroom here, I was hoping to have kind of a second room to shoot videos, like probably like have a little green screen or something like that. I want to try to do more creative stuff. I don't think I can do it here. I can definitely put my desk and do my editing in there, but that's about it. So I would have to think about something else. But the apartment looks nice. I think it's the nicest I've seen so far. And it's in a nice location. I'm only 5 minutes away from... Now I got some people staring at me while I'm making my video.
It's making me shy.
This one I just visited is 3,300. Now the one I'm going to is 2,900. But it has no appliances and no furniture. Okay, and that's the kitchen. There's the bathroom. That's the living room. The tiny room. And the big bedroom. To save 400 kwai, I don't think it's worth it. The kitchen is horrible. And I would have to buy all the furniture, the TV, the fridge, the stove, the bed, the storage, like everything. I would have to buy everything. All the investment and time that would go into this apartment, and I'm not even sure how long I would stay here. I don't think it's worth it. Now apparently there's another one right next to it, so let's check it out. I think this is supposed to be the kitchen. I'm not sure. And here, ooh, squat toilet. There's a homeless person in this one. So they're all the same. The same thing, maybe this one has a couch, but It has literally no kitchen.
Homeless.
And a homeless. But it literally has no kitchen. Like it's just an empty room with a gas meter. And that means I would have to buy a sink, everything. I'm definitely not interested in this kind of investment. All right, back on the other side of Buji Station. One last and 8th apartment today. That's crazy. In Shanghai, I was happy when I was visiting 3 apartments in one day. It's a sport. Look how Lily is tired and exhausted. His head is low. He can't take it anymore. Really appreciate this guy helping me. His Chinese is better than mine. I think without my friend's help, it would have been hard to deal with this apartment building manager and with this last agent as well, because she couldn't speak a word of English. Really appreciate this guy's help.
Impressive.
I think the tiny one that's tidy and clean with wallpaper seems like the winner so far, but I don't want to jump to conclusions right now. I mean, it's still early, but I have to hurry up because the apartment disappeared. Like the good ones, they disappear super quickly. So we're back with the army of agents. We're in safe hands. 3 agents, 1 guy, and 1 impressive Italian dude. Impressive.
Right.
All right, 6th floor. Let's do this. Last one. Today.
Be careful.
Yep. What this? Oh, we're outside now.
Cool. Like that.
So it's like a rooftop garden.
There's someone leaving out. Somebody leaving out.
Oh, okay.
你好。
Someone live in the apartment?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
because
So there might be someone in the apartment. We don't know. Maybe they're naked. We don't know. We wait. Yeah, he's a bit limited in his vocabulary, but impressive. He masters this word.
That's impressive.
打扰你了啊。
Oh, let's not dirty their floor. 谢谢你。我有很大哦，可以。When is it available?
when living in 2天 today
Oh, okay.
today.
Let me see. Kitchen.
这边到时候就是如果就是看看你家庭说。
Kitchen is not bad. There's a hut. Elements there. The sink is a little bit in a bad shape.
Okay.
Bathroom is here. It looked better on pictures, but it's not bad. This. Hello. This is the bedroom. It's fairly big. Okay, that's the second room. This little desk, storage. It's almost as big as the other one. And this is the view. Whoa, that's a nice balcony. You could easily have a couple of chairs here and just hang out. Alright, so this last one was actually quite interesting. It was big, it was fairly clean and new. It's well located, but it's too expensive. It's a little bit more than what I wanted to pay anyway. My plan was to stick around 3,000, maybe I could go to 3,500, but this one was actually 3,700. So right now this is too expensive for me, but the agents are gonna try and negotiate with the landlord So depending on the result of that negotiation, I might really consider this one. But I doubt this will actually be the last episode of my apartment hunting season. So I'll catch you in the next one.